Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious custard jelly at home. We'll start by gathering all the necessary ingredients, including about 2 cups of milk, 1/2 cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of corn flour, 2 egg yolks, and 1 tablespoon of gelatin. Make sure you also have your kitchen tools ready, like a medium-sized saucepan, a whisk, and your preferred jelly molds. Getting everything prepared beforehand makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's create that rich custard base. In a bowl, whisk together your 2 egg yolks, 1/2 cup of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of corn flour until it's a smooth paste. Next, gently heat about 2 cups of milk in a saucepan over medium-low heat, being careful not to let it boil. Slowly pour the warm milk into your egg mixture, whisking continuously to prevent scrambling. Return this mixture to the saucepan and cook over low heat, stirring until it thickens beautifully. Once your custard base is perfectly thick, it's time to add the magic ingredient, gelatin. Dissolve 1 tablespoon of gelatin powder in about 1/4 cup of hot water, stirring until it's completely clear. Immediately stir this dissolved gelatin into your warm custard mixture, ensuring it's fully incorporated. Now, carefully pour the mixture into your prepared molds. Place these molds in the refrigerator for a minimum of 4 hours, or until the jelly is completely set and firm. After patiently waiting, your homemade custard jelly is ready to be enjoyed. To unmold, you can briefly dip the bottom of the mold in warm water, then invert it onto a serving plate. Feel free to get creative with your garnishes. Fresh berries, a dollop of whipped cream, or a sprinkle of toasted almonds all work wonderfully. Serve your chilled custard jelly as a delightful dessert or a special treat. Enjoy every spoonful of your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.